Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape from Smile Now Dental Group. We get a lot of great questions from patients who are going through implant treatment during the colder months, especially here in Colorado. One of the most common questions, does cold weather affect my dental implants? Or is it safe to have surgery in the winter? The answer is yes. Your body reacts to cold and it can influence how things feel after surgery, but the good news, with a little awareness, it's easy to manage. Let's talk about how cold weather can impact your implants and healing and what you should do to stay comfortable and on track during recovery. So can cold water really affect dental implants? It can, but not in the way that you might think. The implants themselves, the titanium posts, aren't sensitive to temperature the way that natural teeth are. But the tissues around them, your gum, your sinuses, your jawbone, they absolutely can respond to environmental changes. When the temperature drops, you might notice increased facial sensitivity, slight pressure in your sinuses or upper jaw, a dull ache in the healing areas when you go outside, mild swelling that lasts a bit longer. None of this is unusual, and it doesn't mean that anything's wrong. It's just your body adapting to the cold, especially if you're in the early healing phase. If you're having implants placed during the colder month, here's what to keep in mind. Swelling and bruising might last slightly longer due to slower circulation. Cold air can make healing tissues feel more tender, especially around the lips, cheeks, or the sinus area. You may feel more tired as your body works harder to stay warm while also healing. Dry air can irritate the healing gums, especially if you breathe through your mouth at night. These symptoms are totally manageable and temporary, but it helps to be prepared. If you're healing from implant surgery during the winter, here's what we recommend. First, keep your face warm, using a scarf or a facial covering or a jacket collar to shield your mouth and jaw when going outside, especially in wind or sub-freezing temperatures. Make sure to stay hydrated. Winter dries the air out, and everything, including your mouth, can cause dryness. Drink plenty of water to keep tissues hydrated and to promote that healing. Use a humidifier. A bedside humidifier can help with dry mouth and nasal passages, especially if you've had upper implants or sinus lift procedures. Make sure to stick to warm, soft foods. Soups, mashed potatoes, and soft cooked grains are your best friends early on. Just avoid anything too hot or spicy that might irritate the healing tissue. Avoid ice cold drinks. Even if you're craving something cold, keep beverages closer to room temp during healing. The cold can trigger nerve sensitivity, especially early on. Can cold weather delay healing? Not directly, but your overall immune response and circulation can be a bit slower in the winter, especially if you're run down or battling a seasonal cold. That's why we always recommend dressing warmly, avoiding strenuous outdoor activity right after surgery, staying on top of rest, hydration, and nutrition, following all of your post-op instructions carefully, and if anything ever feels off, make sure to call us. We're local, we're available, and we're here to make sure you heal safely, no matter the season. We hear patients say, I think I'll wait until it warms up. But the truth is, winter's a great time to start treatment. You're indoors more, you can recover quietly during the holidays, and by the time the warmer month hits, you're already on your way to final teeth. Don't let the weather hold you back from taking the next step, and we'll help you stay comfortable and on track no matter the season. If you've been thinking about getting implants, but you're unsure whether winter is the right time, let's talk about it. Click on the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll walk you through everything, what to expect, how to heal comfortably, and how to time things right so that you get the best possible result. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to ask any questions in the description below, and I would love to see you on the next video. Thanks so much.